Good morning grade 9 and welcome to our Production Possibility Frontier. May sinad kaming video sa inyo. Sana makatulong yun para magkaroon kayo ng idea kung ano yung PPF. And we're going to have of course the concept of opportunity cost, the concept of efficiency, and the concept of economic growth. Ito yung ipapakita ng PPF sa atin. When you say PPF, we have three words: production. So why do we produce in economics? Kasi may mga pangangailangan tayo. And if we will not produce, we will not be able to have our needs and wants. And then, when you say possibility, this is allocation. Hindi lang naman na kapag isa lang ang kailangan natin. Sa ating araw-araw na pamumuhay, we are actually having the possibility of what we need and what we want in a certain situation. And the last one is frontier. When you say frontier, it refers to scarcity. Frontier means limit, hangganan. Hanggang dyan ka lang as of now. So pinapakita ng PPF sa atin kung hanggang saan lang ang kayang i-produce ng isang economy using two products with a maximum intent. Okay? So yun yung definition ng PPF. Pinapakita ng PPF, it is a graph. Drawing lang naman ito. The maximum combination. Hanggang saan ang pinaka kayang i-produce ng isang economy given two products. Now, again, sabi sa video, is it real? It can be applied in a real model. Of course, pwede, pero pwede rin hindi. Bakit? Kasi sa totoong buhay, hindi naman lang dalawa ang pangangailangan natin. But in economics, the reason why we are using a model, in our case, the PPF or a graph, is in order for us to capture the concept of scarcity and opportunity cost, which is always true kahit saan mo man dalhin sa totoong buhay. Okay? So, ang assumption natin, you see assumption in science, this is the situation. This is the setup. Okay, kumbaga sa experiment, ito yung laboratory natin. We are limiting our study into two products only. Usually, it's consumer goods and capital goods. When you say capital goods, these are the products, okay, which we use to produce other products. For example, machines, di ba? Yung mga makina na yan sa mga factory. When you say consumer goods, ito naman yung mga product na madalas kinukonsume natin or kinakain, pag ginamit natin, wala na. Okay? Like the tissue, tubig, pagkain, things like that. So, pinapakita ng PPF paano ang isang economy mag-reach ng kanyang maximum production. Bakit maximum? Kasi mahalaga na i-maximize mo ang production para hindi ma-compromise ang needs and wants. Okay? So, ganun ang ibig nating sabihin. Kumbaga, pag nag-aaral ka, sinasabi ni PPF sa'yo, kung sa isang gabi, may 2 exam ka, at may 5 oras ka para aralin yan, sinasabi ni PPF sa'yo, 2 subject with 5 hours to study, that is your limit, you will not waste the time. You will maximize the 5 hours. But you will not just study only one subject. You will study both subject, and it's up to you how are you going to do the probability or the possibility of studying or allocating the 5 hours, okay, sa 2 subject na yan. So, sana nakuha niyo yung punto ng PPF, okay? Maximization given to resources only, okay? So, what is an output? An output is simply the result of an activity. Again, yun yung pinroduce mo. At para makapag-produce ka, kailangan mo ng input, okay? So, skip natin yan, madali lang yan. So, ano bang pinapakita ng possibility curve or PPC or PPF sa isang individual? Pinapakita ni PPF na laging may kapalit. Kasi 2 product ka, di ba? Whenever you wanted to produce more on the other side, mas malaki ang mawawala sa other side. Kasi nga, scarcity. Nag-allocate ka. Okay? So, halimbawa, may 5 oras ka, math and science. So, kapag ikaw nag-spend ng 3 hours sa science, 2 oras ka na lang sa math. If you want to spend 4 hours sa science, 1 oras ka na lang sa math. Again, there goes the frontier or limit ng iyong magagawa because time is scarce. Okay, puntahan natin ang sinasabi ni PPF. Okay? There is a limit to what you can achieve. In an economy, sa isang bansa, hindi pwedeng gusto nating umunlad. Pero ang point dyan, laging may limit ang ating magagawa. Bakit? Kasi una, baka yung institution ayaw. Pangalawa, baka wala talagang resource. And pangatlo, baka wala pang technology. Bigyan ko kayo ng example. Sa bansang Pilipinas, we wanted to really progress. Okay? However, class, sometimes the government, in our case, that's the institution, the government will be the one who will hinder the progress. Okay? Halimbawa, nagkaroon tayo ng local PPE. Dapat mas maraming production sa PPE. Ang nangyari, gusto nilang kumuha sa labas. Di ba? So, ang local na PPE naapektuhan. Which are resources. Wala talaga tayong gasolina. Wala tayong oil. Meron tayong source ng oil sa Palawan pero napakaliit. It cannot sustain the whole economy. So what is the government doing? Uh, Panahon pa ng Marcos natin, we are actually importing oil. Kasi wala tayong natural resource. Unlike sa Middle East, marami sa kanilang natural resource ng oil. And lastly, technology. Look at Japan. Japan managed to be the top producers of cars and yung mga laro na yan dati kasi they have this technology. Okay? So that what PPF is trying to show you. Okay, there's always a limit. And then, every choice you make will have an opportunity cost. Okay, ang ibig sabihin, balik tayo sa exam natin, kung mag-focus ka sa science, mas malaki ang mawawala sa iyo sa math and vice versa. Ganun din sa bansa, if you say let's focus on more on, let's say, ang budget, nakafocus sa police, masasacrifice ang budget, halimbawa sa social welfare. Kaya yung PPF, napakaganda siya. Kasi if you want to capture a situation by focusing on two products only or two services or two production, malaking bagay na makita mo yung opportunity cost as you move from one product or service to another. Okay? So yan ang PPF. Napuntahan natin ang society. May mga panahon talaga na ang resources mas madali siyang i-produce kaysa ibang bagay. Balikan natin ang oil at saka gas ng Middle East. Diba? Sa Middle East, mura ang gas pero mahal ang tubig. Bakit? Kasi ang resource nila naka-incline naturally. Pag sinabing natural, nandyan na yan. Hindi mo pinili yan. Binigay na sa'yo ng Diyos. So ang oil abundant but water is scarce. So sa kanila mahal ang tubig. Mura ang gasolina. Dito naman sa atin, mahal ang gasolina kasi naturally, hindi natin yan product. Okay? We are not really gifted with the natural thing. But, okay, but in terms of water, hindi naman mahal ang tubig sa atin.